In this video, I will guide you on how to get TikTok likes for free without human verification. Before we start, let's see the current number of likes. To receive likes, in the first step, we need to search for Rapid Boost Net using your preferred search engine. Next, we visit the rapidboost.net website. On the top of the page, select TikTok and then click on Likes. Let's notice that there are several paid options to choose. However, in today's video, I will show you a method to gain likes without spending any money. Choose one of the available options and click Buy Now. Now we need to copy the link to our TikTok video. Paste the link in the box. Click Next. Now we need to enter a code. Click on the option Click here to enter your code and type in the code FIRSTX100DEAL. Make sure to complete all the necessary fields with the required information. Click Place Order. We can see that the order has been successfully received. Now we just need to wait. We will receive likes as soon as possible, so be patient. As you can see, after completing all the steps, I have successfully gained 1,000 likes.